Hi, today I'm going to give you a quick demo of how BlogBridge works and how you might create a guide to follow information that you care about. In this example, I'm going to create a guide with information about Apple Computer. So I start by simply clicking the Add Guide button. I'll give the guide a name, and I will click Add. And basically a guide is a folder containing one or more, usually many more, RSS feeds which you're interested in following for one reason or another. So as I said, this scenario has me interested in Apple Computer. So I can refer to a site, for example, like AllTalk, which has links to interesting blogs on a whole lot of different topics. And I want to pick off a few of these that I'm interested in. So here we see the unofficial Apple website. I'm going to drag that into my list of feeds. I see Macworld here. I'm going to drag that into my list of feeds. I'm going to, it said that I already had that. I'm going to pick Infinite Loop. I'm going to put that into my list of feeds. And finally, I'm going to take, I don't know, Apple Insider. It's a good one. Put that into my list of feeds. So now I have 3 feeds in this guide called Apple Computer. And you see here articles already being picked off on each one. Now I can go one step further. Let's say that I want to search on other sources. I could go to what we call a smart feed and create a smart feed searching through, for example, Twitter. And I want to say Apple related news. And instead of those two, I'm going to say query, and I'm going to simply say Apple. And what I get now is a feed with, of course, the word Apple mentioned, which maybe is not quite specific enough, but you see these are coming right out of Twitter. And these are places in Twitter where the word Apple was named. And that is what we call a smart feed. I can create another smart feed. In this case, I'm going to perhaps look through Google News. And I'm going to look for Apple News. Now this is going to do a query through Google for Apple Computer. Let me put it in tools. Let me just make it a quoted string, Apple Computer. And this is now searched through Google News for the word Apple Computer. And you see here, again, lots of information about Apple. This is very recent and so on. So here I've created a very nice guide with 5 different feeds, a couple of them out of Google, a couple of them directly from the web about Apple. And you could apply this same principle to create a guide on any topic that you are interested in. I hope this was a helpful explanation. This is Pete O'Sal signing off. Happy New Year.